So welcome to Cooking with Soul, brought to you by the U.S. Botanic Garden. I'm Tambra Raye, and today we are again working with 5 ingredients in making a do-it-yourself kale salad and a red pepper dressing, which has its own 5 ingredients. So before we dive in, with every episode, we are paying homage to Black women in food who have paved the way that I walk into this space. And Dr. EVELYN CRAYTON has been a well-known nutritionist and the first African-American president of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. She hails from Alabama. She has her doctorate in education. She had spent time as a food nutrition specialist at Tuskegee University and is someone who has definitely seen food as a civil rights issue. So we want to have a taste of, again, recipes of freedom. We're doing a kale salad. Even though I didn't grow up eating kale as a kid, the holy trinity of greens really was mustard greens, turnip greens, and collard greens. But we're always open to anything green by any means necessary. So that's why we're working with kale today. We're keeping it fresh. We're keeping it something that you can grow in your own garden, get at the local farmer's market or grocery store. But whatever you do, get your greens in. So we've already pre-chopped the ingredients of Brussels sprouts, carrots, broccoli, cabbage, and the star of the show, hail to the kale. So as we prepare this as the main salad ingredient, you can finely chop your kale. You can choose curly kale, Tuscany kale, any kale, just make it green. And if you don't want to do kale, even though it has a strong backbone, strong people need strong food, you can also go with spinach too. But I love the way in which the Ethiopian greens, gomewat, are cut really fine. And so that's my attempt in the struggle with my greens right now. But if you want to just put the knife down, have your kid come in and help you, you could do it how my granny used to do it back in the day. Just get it in with your hands, because that's the soul of it, is connecting your love, transferred into the food, and served to your family and friends. So as we do that, we're gonna put this in a bowl and then we're gonna get into our dressing. So here's our bowl. We're gonna toss our greens as our base. That is the foundation of our healing and of our meal. And then we love a taste of the rainbow with different colors of green, and every color speaks to a different kind of nutrient in our greens and ultimately in our salad. So we have our broccoli. Just see it as a highlighter in your hair. We got our Brussels sprouts. And then we have our beautiful red cabbage. And then we have our carrot in the middle. Now, you could do this in reverse and you can add your own dressing first in the base and massage and add on top. It's however you wish. As we do the dressing, again, we're working with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. We're gonna put that all in a bowl. Our extra virgin olive oil is best for any kind of dressings. And then we have an apple cider vinegar because we're making a vinaigrette. We have our chili sauce. You can cut up your own fresh peppers and substitute. We're gonna add that as a base, and however you like it hot, you can turn up the heat or turn it down. And then we're gonna throw in some curry. And next, I can choose to chop garlic, or I can add some lemon as a substitute with the vinegar. Again, it's like accessories. What do you want to have a flavor of? We technically have a little bit of garlic in the chili sauce that we already prepared. But if you love the flavor of garlic and you understand the importance it is to your health, you can always add a little bit more. We're gonna take our spoon, we're gonna mix it around nicely. And once we do that, we're gonna pour that right onto this salad. And the beauty of doing this prepared at home is that now we can get it in just like this. This is what it means to toss the salad, and we're massaging, kind of like the massage I need right now from all this back-breaking labor in the kitchen. This is what I'm working into my salad because I believe in karma. And as we coat all of our greens, we have a finished product. So, again, something quick and easy that you can easily do at home. Add all assortment of ingredients that you want to. These are the ones that I choose to because I love the health, the flavor of bringing it all together like a symphony in your mouth. If you try this recipe, leave it in the comments section, post a photo, follow US Botanic Garden, and we look forward to having a taste of soul in your home too.